SIMPA, where rhythm meets celebration. SIMPA is a vibrant traditional dance of the Dagbamba people in northern Ghana, known for its fast footwork, joyful jumps, and powerful drumming. Originally introduced by Muslim communities, SIMPA blends spiritual roots with festive energy. It's often performed by youth during celebrations like traditional festivals, weddings, and community gatherings. With drummers leading the rhythm and dancers responding with energy and flair, SIMPA is a true expression of unity, joy, and cultural pride. Every beat tells a story, and every step keeps it alive.